Today I'll walk you through some proven solutions if your Samsung TV remote or any other remote isn't working. I know how frustrating this can be, so I'll guide you through each fix step by step. Let's get your remote working again. Fix number 1. Replace the batteries. First things first, let's check those batteries. This might seem obvious, but it's often the simplest solution that works. Here's what you'll need to do. Remove the old batteries. Insert 2 fresh ones, matching the plus and minus markings in the compartment. Quick tip, always use fresh batteries from the same pack for the best results. Fix number 2, power cycle everything. If new batteries didn't do the trick, let's try resetting both your remote and TV. This is what we call a power cycle. Follow these steps. Remove the batteries from your remote, unplug your TV from the wall. Press and hold the power button on the remote for 20 seconds. Wait a full 60 seconds. I know it seems long, but trust me on this. Put the batteries back in, plug the TV back in. Fix number 3. Repair your remote. Sometimes your remote just needs to be repaired with your TV, especially after power outages or system updates. Here's the pairing process. First, make sure your TV is turned on. Next, point the remote at your TV. Then press and hold both the return and play buttons simultaneously. Keep them pressed for 5 seconds while pointing at the TV. Finally, release the buttons and test if it's working. Fix number 4, reset your Wi-Fi connection. For smart TVs that rely on network connectivity, sometimes a router reset can help resolve remote issues. Simple steps: unplug your router, wait for 30 seconds, plug it back in, allow a few minutes for everything to reconnect, and then test your remote again. Last resort options. If none of these fixes worked, you have 2 options. Replace the remote. Consider getting a genuine Samsung replacement remote, or look into a quality universal remote that can control multiple devices. I hope one of these solutions helped fix your remote. Remember, sometimes the simplest fix is all you need. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.